Now we're going to take up one more problem on the projections of solids, problem number 146. So here, how to solve this problem, how to draw this problem by using AutoCAD software. So to do that, so first we'll go to, we'll take the problem we're going to read as a hexagonal pyramid of 25 mm sides of base and 50 mm axis length rests on HP on one of its slant triangular faces. Draw the projections of the pyramid when the axis appears to be inclined to VP at 45 degrees. So this is the problem and this is going to be the final solution. So to do that, first we'll go to the AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. The command is limits, specify lower left corner, which is 0, 0, upper right corner is 297, 210. Then zoom all. Then go to line command, draw one horizontal line of the length 297 and then the vertical line of 210, then the horizontal line of 297 and then say close. Then go to zoom extents and zoom 0.6x. Then go to layer, click on new layer, type the layer by name XY, enter, click on new, type the layer by name axis, enter, click on new, type the layer by name front view. You delete this layer. Then you delete this also. Then you click on new layer, type the layer by name front view, enter, click on new, type the layer by name top view TV, enter, click on new, type the layer by name front view hidden, then enter, click on new, type the layer by name top view hidden. Now once you do that, now we're going to change the line weights of individual layer. Layer 0 will have 0.05, layer axis will again have 0.05, layer XY will going to have 0.13, then we have the front view which will be 0.5 and the top view will be again 0.5 and front view hidden will going to have 0.3 and the top view hidden will also have 0.3 now. Then we go to continuous line type of top view hidden, then go to load, click on hidden, type G, H and enter. Again go to load and then take center, that is the axis line, you just go to OK. Now since I want hidden, you click on hidden and say OK. Then the top view hidden will also have, front view hidden is also have hidden line type. Then the axis line will going to have center line type. Then we have the color, the axis color will going to be magenta color, okay. Then the front view will going to have red color. Then the top view will going to have blue color, okay. And the front view hidden will going to have red color. And the top view hidden will going to have blue color, okay. And finally close it. Now we'll go for creating this sketch. So first we want to create hexagon. So go to polygon. Take the number of sides as 6, take the edge option, so you just click anywhere and type the distance as 25, then go to line, take intersection of this and take intersection of this, then go to line, take intersection of this and take intersection of this, then go to line, take int of this and take intersection of this, then you select all the 6, go to layer, make that layer as top view and then line weight hidden type. Now you just go to move, then just go to move, select this and move it appropriately and place it. Then go to line, draw a horizontal line of any distance. Then I need to take the height as 50. So go to offset, take the distance as 50. You select this horizontal line, then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to line, take intersection of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between these two and fillet between these two now. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection of this and take intersection of this line. Then go to erase this line. Then go to break, select this and take first point, take int of this and say @. Then you select these three and this line, go to layer and make it as front view. Now the next point is, so you need to copy the position of the front view of the first position and then rotate so that one of the slant triangular faces is resting on HP. So then you just go to copy, select this entire drawing and copy this to the next position. And then go to rotate, select this again, the second one, then go to base point, take int of this and take the reference and take int of this to intersection part of this. Then you rotate it and keep it. Then go to move, select the previous entities, then move this appropriately. Then go to line, take int of this and then you take int of this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this term. Then you just go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Now you just take the trim command, select this as the cutting edge and object to trim as these two. Then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line. And then go to line, take int of this and draw a vertical line. Similarly, line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between these two and between these two now. So once you do that, then go to zoom window, select this, then go to line, take int of this and take intersection part of this, then intersection part of this. Then go to int of this and take intersection of this too. Then go to mirror, select this and select this and mirror these two. Then go to nearest point on this. So you're going to get this on this side. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection of these two and then intersection of these two. So once you do that, then go to break this first point, then go to break, select this first point, take int of this and say @. Then go to break, select this first point, take int of this and say @. Then go to break, select this first point, take int of this and say @. Then go to break, select this point, first point, take int of this and say @. Now once you do that, so here again you break this line, go to first point, take int of this and say @. Then break, select this first point, take int of this and say @. Now we have all the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible and the surface nearer to the observer is visible and these two edges are visible. Then go to layer, lay it as front view, top view. Then you just click on this and you just click on this and you make that layer as top view hidden and take this dimension as 20 or 50. Now you just click on this and go to layer, make that layer as axis layer and take the distance as 50. Now once you do that, now you just come down to go to line, take int of this and draw this XY line on this side. Again you take int of this and intersection point of this. Then go to line, int of this and draw the continuous line. Then go to zoom window. Now you take nearer to the screen and then you just make an angle of 45 degrees. So this is actually to incline to VP at 45 because you're not given here. So the angle of inclination of the axis is 45 degrees. So to do that, so first we're going to copy the second position top view and you copy this here. Then go to rotate in counterclockwise direction. So it is positive. So this is just give 45 degrees. Then go to move, switch off this and go to previous selection and bring it near to the screen. Then again switch on the ortho mode, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then similarly line int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. So you have this line. So now we want to take this, which is these two, those two edges are here. So then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line. You just go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between these two lines now. Then the next portion is then go to line, take int of this and then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to perpendicular to this line. Then perpendicular to this line. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between these two now. Then you just go to line, take int of this, then go to intersection part of this, then int of this, and then intersection of this, and then int of this line. Similarly, you just go to line, take int of this, so intersection of this, and intersection of this, and then intersection of this, and then intersection of this. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection part of this. Then go to break this first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Then go to break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Then go to break, select this first point, take int of this and say at the rate. So now again you break this line till here. So you just go to all the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible and the surface nearer to the observer is visible. As these two edges are visible, invariably this edge also becomes invisible, so visible. So they go to front view. Then you just go to these two lines and change those two lines to top view hidden, front view hidden, and make this as 15 mm. So now you just have a click on this and go to layer, make that layer as axis layer and make this as 10 mm. Then you just go to zoom previous, then go to break this line till here, and you just click on this and you click on this and you click on this side and on this line and go to layer, make that layer as XY line. So once you do that, now this is we have finished this problem. Now we need to go for dimensioning. So to do that, first we should have changing the dimensioning variables. So the primary units, make it 0. Go to text, you take the text height as 3, align with the dimension line, you take this dimension as 3, centered becomes above, symbols and arrows, take arrow size as 3 and the lines as offset from the origin as 3 and say OK and say close. Now we have dim, so take intersection point of this and take intersection point of these two and you make it 25. Then go to intersection point of this and take intersection point of this, so you're going to get it as 50 mm. Now you just go to angular, select between this line and this line, you will going to get it as 45 degrees. Then you just go to dim TED, text edit dimension, and you click this and you take it 45 degree here. Now we need to go for D text. So here you just click over this and take the height as 3, then put the caps lock on, make it as XY, you mark this as VP and you mark this as HP. So this as small a, this as B, this as C, D and E and F, here it as O and here it as O1. So once you do that, you mark this as O dash, here it is A dash, here it is B dash, here it is C dash, here it is D dash, here it is E dash, and here it is O1 dash, and here it is F dash. And then just go to move, switch off this ortho mode, take this as X, VP, HP, A dash, F dash, here it is B dash, here it is E dash, here it is O1 dash, here it is C dash, here it is D dash, here it is O dash. Now similarly, you might move this as O1 and you move this as O, you move this as A, you move this as F, you move this as B, you move this as C, you move this as D, you move this as E. Now you just click on all these top few points, that is the text matter which has been just written, and you just go to layer, make that layer as top view. Similarly, you just click on VP and you take these two, then O dash, then E dash, all these points, and change that layer to front view. Once you do that, then you just go to copy this you just go to copy this, you take C dash and you take D dash, then you take B dash, then you take E dash, then you take A dash, then you take F dash, then you take O dash, then you copy this O, and that O will come here. You copy A, that A will come here, and you copy B, that copy will be here. You copy C, that C will come here. You copy D, that D will come here. You copy E, that E will come here. You copy F, and that F will come here. Now you just copy O1, and that O1 will come here. So here you just go to DD edit. So this will be without bracket. You make it as O1, and this will also without bracket. Once you do that, then go to move, select this, and you move it appropriately here, and this also you move it appropriately here. And then go to the text. So here you make it as A dash, this as B dash, and this as C dash, and this as D dash, and this as E dash, and this as F dash, and this as O1 dash, and this as O dash. Then just come down to zoom window, then go to move. So you move this and you keep it here. O1 dash, you F dash, this A dash, this O dash, and this C dash, and this D dash, and this E dash. Then just you click on these two, then you just go to layer, make that layer as front view, then go to zoom previous. So this will going to be the final solution. You just go to move and place it here. So this will going to be the final solution of this drawing, and this drawing and this drawing almost one and the same. Thank you.